Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a green color checkbox in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my checkboxes and I'll make them green color. Now select from option this menu and here you will find a select field option. Click here. Now drag your mouse and select all of them and here you will find this properties option and this properties box and go appearance option. Here you can change this border color, you can make it green and again the properties option and general option, and this is checkbox color and also make on green and go and option and see this all of the checkboxes make green color. Yeah, in this way you can make the checkboxes green color and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.